Next one's going to be Zoe, short horror film. Photosensitivity warning. He died. Already better acting. Damn, you gonna pack all the... She grabs 3 books, and then 3 books, and then like 6 books at once. Like, what are you doing, lady? Like, what did you think? You thought this was gonna work? The fuck? That's what's horrifying about this shit. Bro, this fly. Yesterday I was trying to kill him. This is his friend. What is that? What is that? Oh, that's kind of sick. I've never seen that before. Oh, bro, I'd be loading that bitch up. I'd have to do it. I mean, tempt me with stuff like that. I gotta do it. I would be doing, and it looks super used, so I'd feel comfortable about it. I mean, how would you even know it's like a horror thing? Yeah, this is just like your dad's gift. I'd immediately wonder how that's happening. The detail, I love that. This is good. Oh, shit. Why was that scary, bro? It's like a silhouette. See him. Why did I jump about that? That's actually scary. Oh no, what's that? I was gonna say maybe it's his spirit trying to guide her, like, to go with him, which is like actually not a good thing because she's still alive. Or that's not him. Spin that bitch fast. No, don't grab it. He's gonna pull you. What's it gonna do though? Is it gonna rip her out of the dimension? Oh my god, do it already. I'm getting fucking epilepsy here. Things now is just there now, huh? What the fuck? Bro, if her neck just snaps. What in the fuck was that? Oh, now she's trapped. Okay. I liked it and hated it at the same time, but I think I'm gonna give it that like. That was pretty good. I didn't mind that one. Dude, the first one was the best one. The 2-minute one was the best one.